In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a location to your Facebook post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first stuff, open up Facebook app. And then tap right here at the very top where it says what's on your mind, and then all we have to do is just make our post as we usually do. We can write here some text, we can attach some pictures. However, if you would like to add a location, you need to tap right here at check in. That will allow you to select a location from suggested, and also in that way you can search for some specific location. Once you find it, to add that location to your post, just tap on it. And then you can continue editing the post. Once you are done with that, to share it, tap add post. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.